Ever wondered how the sugar in your kitchen travels from a tall green stalk to sparkling white crystals? It all begins in sprawling sugarcane fields, where the cane is carefully harvested and transported to a nearby mill. At the mill, the stalks are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and debris, then crushed by heavy rollers to extract the sweet juice inside. This raw juice is filtered to remove fibers and impurities, then heated and treated with lime to neutralize acidity and clarify the liquid. Next, the juice is boiled in large evaporators to remove most of the water, turning it into a thick, concentrated syrup. This syrup is further concentrated in vacuum pans, where sugar crystals begin to form as the solution cools. These crystals are separated from the remaining molasses using centrifuges that spin at high speeds, effectively separating the solid sugar from the liquid. The raw sugar obtained is then washed and refined through repeated dissolving, filtering, and recrystallizing processes to improve purity and whiteness. Finally, the pure white sugar is dried, cooled, and screened for size before being packaged for distribution. From field to factory, each carefully controlled step ensures the sugar you enjoy is clean, pure, and ready to sweeten your favorite recipes.